Good afternoon, Bad Horse, esteemed members of the Evil League of Evil. My name is Elizabeth Kennsington Esq. I am the junior named partner for Evil, Evil, and Kensington, attorneys at law. Misters Evil and Evil would like to be here today, but unfortunately cannot appear on standard film. I am here today to petition you for our membership into the Evil League of Evil. We think our name and our reputation speaks for itself, and we would be happy to provide any services to the members that you would so require. We simply wish to leave you with a single statistic. The number one cause for both failure and delay in all evil schemes is failure to take police procedure and jail time of previous schemes into account. We thank you for your time and hope to meet with you personally in the future. Thank you, and have a good evening.
Offer void where prohibited. Statistics as cited are not guaranteed and were collected with a margin of error of 95%. Information presented on this application and only this application is considered public information unless otherwise noted, may be distributed or copied. Use of appropriate byline photo image credit is requested. If you are not the intended recipient of this communication, any dissemination, distribution, or otherwise replication of this communication is not authorized, and in doing so you have committed an objectionable faux pas that will be claimed against and punished in a social setting. We strongly recommend that EEC information be acquired directly from EEC attorneys and not through other sources that may change the data in some way. While EEC makes every effort to provide accurate and complete information, various data such as names, telephone numbers, case facts, case dispositions, and guilt or innocence may be based on the relative reality one lives in. Any liabilities of economic, moral, physical, extraterrestrial, interterrestrial, psychic, paranormal, or demonic are not the responsibility of any EEC attorney. EEC provides no warranty, expressed or implied, as to the accuracy, reliability, truthfulness, ethicalness, or completeness of furnished information or prospective clients or apparatus, product, or process herein disclosed. Do not watch while operating a motor vehicle or heavy equipment. As with all legal advice, use only as directed. By pressing play on this video, the viewer herein relinquishes all potential personal injury or emotional distress claims from any contact with EEC partners or attorneys. Initial consultations may be too intense for some viewers. Parental discretion is advised. Please consult your doctor before embarking on this or any other damnation program. Any resemblance of EEC attorneys to real persons living or dead is purely coincidental. All video and audio content of senior partners Nicholas Evil Esquire and Samuel Evil Esquire is a simulation only and should not be used for identification purposes. As with all communication by EEC attorneys, some assembly is required. Batteries not included. Contents may settle during shipment. Postage will be paid by addressee. Do not bend, mar, fold, stamp, or otherwise alter any EEC documentation. Should said EEC documentation be bent, marred, folded, stamped, or otherwise altered, EEC and its members, owners, and employees disclaim all liability for reality warping or portals that may develop. Rest assured, we have sent the forms which seem to be right for you. Do not question the form, sign an initial in all indicated places. Any individuals with an overwhelming or otherwise all-consuming fear of any of the following, the unknown, the dark, the rendering of one's soul to the great beyond, will be gratified to learn that there is a hidden message revealed by playing this communication backwards. This may, however, be mitigated by making a circle of salt, cumin, and tasty brand processed meat food product balls completely around the playback unit at sea level and repeating the Latin chant of St. Augustine the Brave. This does not constitute an endorsement of or by tasty brand processed meat food product balls. This agreement is subject to change without notice. This supersedes all previous notices. Hail Eris. Shout out to Mrs. Calendar's third grade class for providing refreshments throughout the taping of this application.